Welcome back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to fix if not receiving MMS messages on Motorola G37 power. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on see all apps. Scroll down and search messages app from here. Click on messages app. Click on storage and cache if you want to fix this problem. So clear cache messages app. Go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, go to app library. Click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system and click on reset option if you want to fix this problem. So click on reset network setting, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so restart device. Just click and hold side power button and volume up button at the time. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.